Today I'm going to show you how to make a wood slice retro Santa ornament. I do want to point out that these wood slices do have a drilled hole on one side, and that will become important later. In your kit there is a pot of vintage green paint that I specially mixed for this project. I went ahead and painted one side green and I let it dry for a half hour just to speed things up in this video. This is a cardstock Santa that's very thick and durable. We're going to take that Santa and glue it down to the wood slice using Mod Podge. Now in your kit there is a pot that's marked G for glue. That's just what Mod Podge is. Basically it's glue. So I'm going to put a liberal amount on the back of this Santa, and because it's a thick piece of cardstock it shouldn't warp or cause any damage. So next I'm just going to put this down on the ornament, keeping in mind where that hole is so that of course when you hang it later it's facing the correct direction. Now if anything seeps out, that is absolutely fine. I do try to clean it up a little bit because I'm going to put some weight on these while they dry just to ensure that it dries flat. You could use a cup of water or anything with a little weight to it. Give that some proper dry time, probably about a half hour, and then come back and I want you to go over the entire piece with the glue. Be liberal with it, and especially go around the cardstock and make sure that if there's any uplifting or nooks and crannies that you get it in there to seal it down. The Mod Podge or glue that I gave you is matte, but it will have a fine little sheen on it once it dries. So once that's done, I come back actually a second time and I go over with the glue again. I just like to make sure it has a really nice finish on it. After that's done, let that dry for about a half hour. And once that dries, I want you to take your paintbrush and turn it upside down and use the back of the paintbrush to put dots all over the ornament to simulate snow. Now if you want, you could put another layer of Mod Podge on top just to give it a little extra protection. I chose not to. I thought it was fine without. Lastly, we're going to put a ribbon in there. Now in your kit you either got some jute or colored ribbon. They're both beautiful and it's ready for the tree. I hope you really enjoyed this and it added a little festive note to your tree, and you have a happy holiday season. Merry Christmas everyone.